Hello friends, myself Dr. Sudha Tripathi. Welcome to my channel Indian Homeo. Friends, today I'll be talking about hair loss and homeopathic approach or the homeopathic treatment for the hair loss. If you are facing hair loss problem, in this video I'll tell you about the causes of hair loss, tips to prevent hair loss, proper diet for hair care, homeopathic approach in hair loss, and most importantly, the emotional cause considered in homeopathy for hair loss. Hair loss is one of the most common condition which one experiences in everyday life. Loss of about 70 to 100 hair per day is considered to be normal and does not require any treatment. But when the rate of hair loss increases suddenly, even if it is in normal range, then the treatment is recommended. Before we proceed to know the causes of hair loss, it is important to know the various stages of hair growth. Hair grows from the root underneath the skin. The hair is fed by the blood vessels at the base of the hair follicles, which gives it the nourishment it needs to grow. Between starting to grow and falling out, years later, each hair passes through 4 stages. Now it is very important to know that every hair can be at a different stage of growth cycle at any given time. The 4 different stages of hair growth are: the first phase is the growing phase known as anagen. This phase lasts for 2 to 7 years and it determines the length of our hair. Second stage after the growth stage is the transition phase. This phase lasts for about 10 days and in this phase the hair follicle shrinks and detaches. Coming to the third phase, which is known as the resting phase or telogen. In this phase, after the hair follicle shrinks, in transition phase, they enter the resting phase, which lasts around 3 months. Around 10 to 15% of hair are in this phase. The last phase is the new hair phase. While the old hair is resting, a new hair begins the growth phase. In this new hair phase is also known as exogen. The old hair sheds and new hair continue to grow. Approximately 50 to 100 hair can fall out daily, which is considered as normal hair shedding. Now if the hair enters the resting phase too early, excess of hair fall starts. Now coming to the factors that affect the hair fall or the causes of hair fall, there is a wide range of hereditary and lifestyle factors that can cause and affect the hair growth. The first most important is the poor diet. As the hair follicle are not the vital tissue, it is the last tissue in the body to get the nutritional substance. Therefore, any long-term deficiency may lead to premature hair loss. Second most important cause for hair loss considered is stress. This is one of the major cause of hair fall. Due to prolonged stress, there is production of more adrenaline, which can lead to production of testosterone and DHT, which causes hair loss by preventing the supply of nutrients to the hair follicle. Another cause of hair follicle is smoking. Smoking causes poor circulation, which can affect the amount of blood flow to the hair follicle, leading to the hair loss. Coming to the diet for hair care. Now, why diet is important for hair care? Since hair on the head is an important structure of the skin that provides protection to the scalp from ultraviolet rays of sun, it also serves as source of heat insulation and cooling. Hair cells are second fastest growing cells in our body, all of which needs nourishment to grow. Since Hair is not a vital organ or tissue. Body never prioritizes its nutritional needs. So whenever there is a nutritional imbalance, it will often show up first in the form of hair loss. Hair is primarily composed of protein, so including adequate amount of protein in diet like lentils, yogurt, seeds, chickpeas, rajma will help in proper hair growth. Second important dietary thing is ferritin or the stored iron, which is very much important for hair growth. Spinach, whole wheat bread, cereals, soybean, tofu and lentils helps in maintaining the ferritin level in our body. One important thing to note is that if you have dandruff, eczema and psoriasis, avoid dairy products because dairy products might aggravate these skin conditions. If the hair fall has already started, there are certain tips which you can follow to prevent the hair fall. First is always be gentle with your hair. Use a detangler or a wide tooth comb that might help preventing pulling out of hair. Secondly, it is very important to avoid harsh treatment on the hair such as hot rollers, curling irons, hot oil treatment. And lastly, protection of hair from sunlight and other sources of UV light. Coming to the homeopathic approach or the homeopathic treatment for hair fall. In homeopathy, the medicines are prescribed after considering the totality of symptoms. Medicines are selected on the basis of individualization, that is, by taking into consideration the cause like the emotional cause, hormonal imbalance, nutritional factor, the nature of the patient, and other factors that may be acting cause as the maintaining cause of hair loss. Now, the emotional cause which is considered for hair loss is the separation conflict, where there is loss of physical contact associated with the scalp, that is, being stroked on the head. So, hair loss is basically an expression of loss or separation from loved one, but it also expresses when someone desires to separate from unwanted relation. After considering all these factors, homeopathy medicines are prescribed. With homeopathy medicines, the hair loss or the alopecia can be controlled by curing its causes.